Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? I'm getting ready to do my daily makeup. I've been requested to do it. So I hope the lighting's good. We had to cover up the window, the sun was going through it. I gotta drink my daily shake. If you're diabetic and if your blood sugar's running high, get you some of these. And substitute one meal. I'm going to get vanilla next. I'm getting kind of tired of, I didn't know it was open. I'm getting kind of tired of chocolate all the time. I hope I can get chocolate and vanilla in the same box. That would work out good. Okay. This is a concealer for me to try. I've done tried it. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's $25 a big tube with a pump on it for $25 on Amazon. And I'm going to get me this bad boy because I'm telling you, it is worth the money. Don't take but a little bit. So that little, well, it's not a little container, it's about that big container. That sucker would last forever. So in the long run, it would pay for itself. I don't know if you can hear me from the fan. Might have to turn it off. I don't care about the air, it's quiet. I do apologize for all the noise in the background. And the table moving. My cats are just ridiculous today. They're being a pain in my butt. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Well, for one thing, we're going to my sister-in-law's to eat supper and play Mexican train, but we're leaving the house and they know that, and they're showing themselves, and I'm about out of this. Thank God Friday's payday. Yes, I really like this stuff. I've got some other concealer that I can keep until I get this. I want you to look. Let me show you this. Here's the other concealer. I know you've seen it before. Wet n Wild. It's pretty good, but no, I like this other stuff better. It's got lotion and sunscreen and moisturizes your skin for 72 hours. And I've got this makeup bag. I've got this brush bag. I've got another makeup bag. As my dog hit my thing. And the mother of all mother loads, my great big makeup bag. So, and then I've got a bucket and I got a Dollar Tree that I got for $1. So I try to keep all my stuff separated. But I was in a hurry yesterday for church, and I got my stuff everywhere. So I had to dig it out. I don't like when I got my stuff not in order. My makeup palette, you know, one of them, I got it from Five Below. I've had it for, what, about a year now? About a year now. I'll have to go get me another one for fall. This is, let me look. What was this for? It don't say. It's got, when you go to the store, it's got spring, summer, fall, and winter, which I thought was excellent. And of course I've got this palette. From a lady off Facebook. I really like that too. So I never know what I'm going to use. I mix and combine and I do all kinds of stuff. I was going to show you a little package. Look at this little package. Isn't it the cutest little thing from Estate? It's eyeshadow in it. I think it's so cute. good advertisement for them, the way the packages. If I was looking at my foundation, I got it off of a company called Wish. I got it for $1, and I was just curious how much it cost. But for $1, it is excellent. I love the product. It is. What's this on Amazon? On Amazon, you can get it for $2.79. You see that? But I'm gonna get it off of Wish. I can get it for free because I've ordered a butthole load of stuff off of it. This stuff is excellent. Foundation, I love it. Oh, the concealer comes in a pump like this, and you don't use but a little bit, so it lasts forever. I don't care to pay extra if it's going to last a long time. You know, something ain't going to last for a while. I'm not going to pay a large amount for. Anything you can find with concealer and moisturizer in it. You get what you pay for. If you want to look good, you're going to have to pay for it. You can tell somebody uses cheap makeup. And you can tell somebody don't know how to do their makeup. Can you give me a straw for my shake? We'd run ourselves ragged since Tuesday, and it caught up to us on Friday night and Saturday night. We was exhausted, and we slept. When we come home from church after eating, we slept for a long time. We slept half a day today, well, till about 11:30. And today's Monday. I don't know how good it covers my age spots, but there's that side. There's that side. I'm gonna drink my shake. And don't forget to get your metal straws, you guys. Try to do it where you can see it. There's my eyebrows. I got it for $2 at Walmart. Very good product. I'll put this up while I'm doing this, because if I don't, it'll be a mess again. I don't know where nothing is, and I'll have another little fit. Sorry, it's blue. I got me some eyelid concealer. I got that fixed right. Paid $2 for this at Walmart. I didn't know what to think of it at first. It's a little different. It don't take much either. See, it's got glitter in it. I didn't know what to think about it. Keeps your eyeshadow on without it fading away so fast. So what do I want to do now? What do I want to do now? I don't know what the name of this is. It's like a tan color. No, you makeup artists and experts. I might not be using the correct brushes and stuff. Don't have a hard tack. Because I wouldn't listen to you anyway, so don't give me no advice. I do it my way. Okay. The light purple. Because light purple will show off your green eyes if you didn't know that. You have to use a mirror. And you just glide it back and forth. Or I do mine. See the difference? I'm going to have to get me in there a palette soon. I'm running out of my eyeshadow. There's that. And for the top, I'm going to be using my other palette. And I will be using Clam. Name of the color is Clam. Well, don't need to put your eyeballs out, do I? Anyways, this one right here, Clam. I'll be using that one. Looks like it was dark in here. I'm about to have a fit. I was about to have a spell. I hit that. I hit the table. That was my fault. See, when I go in there it looks dark. And then I look in the mirror and it's not. I thought, oh Lord. That's all I do with my eyes. Less is more, people. You don't have to put so much on there you look like a slut. Some people likes that look, but my daddy would have... I was raised... I think it's conservative, I guess you would say. You don't have to look like a tramp. Older you get, the less makeup you need to use. And if you ever look at an older person with a lot of makeup on, they look like a big old clown. Think they look good, but they don't. Okay, I got finishing powder. This cost $3 at Walmart. Look at this color. Oh, look. Look! It's me! Sorry, guys. But anyways, do it this way. It's white. I put it on. Sometimes I put it on afterwards, everything. Sometimes I put it on before. It just depends. Today I feel like putting it on before. And my mom taught me, and I thank God I listened, because I'm not one to listen to nobody. You go, ain't I going to get an amen? Well, she taught me very well how to take care of my skin, and I am so thankful. I'm 51 years old, and I'm proud the way I look.
And she's beautiful.
And my skin looks very, very, very well taken care of, because I do. Now, the rest of my body, I like to eat, and as you can tell, if you look at the graveyard video, Big Bertha's butt. Seriously, if you know any butt exercises, please give me some. Down in the comments, tell me. I need to do something with this big butt. Okay, I got this in one of my little makeup kits. It's ICO. Is that what the name of that is? ICO. It is $20 on, what's it called? Amazon. And let me tell you something. I'm getting me this. This is the best eyeliner I have ever used in my life. It's fine tip. Where's my camera? Where the heck did it go? There it is. Anyways. It's fine tip. Excellent. I don't care if you put 16 layers of eyeshadow on. It will go on. I have to use my mirror. Hopefully. No, it got hot enough. Let me see. Yeah. You can do it super thin, you can do it super thick. You know, that just depends on you. I don't know why in the world I make faces when I'm doing my eyes. There it is. I don't know if you got to see it or not. I didn't know I had that covered. I do apologize. Let me try with this one. Jeez. You know, I can get one eye perfect and the other eye, it drives me nuts. I'm going to have to fix my eyes. So, I hope you can see. I don't know if I told you a story or not. But I've always been stubborn all my life, you know. Okay, I hope it's even. Hey, Boots. He's barking at Paul. Paul went outside. But anyways, Daddy and Mom and was going to town for something. And I had this wild hair that I was in this green eyeshadow. Green. The color of this bottle. Exactly that color. Well, I had it all over my eyelid. And my daddy said, "You go in there and wash your face." I said, "No." I was about 8, 9-year-old. I said, "No, I ain't gonna wash it. I like the way it looks." They said, "Well, I'll just leave you here. We'll see you when we get back." I said, "Well, I'll see you when you get back." And he went around the block. He come back. He went to a tree, my neighbor's tree, and got a switch. He said, "I said to get in that house and wash that face off. You look like your gallbladder's burst." Needless to say, this old stubborn mule went in there and washed her face. But back then, I was little, I thought it looked good. Really? Oh my God. If he'd let me went out looking like that. My Lord. When I did get back, I'd known it. My daddy only spanked me 3 times. And let me tell you, that's all I wanted from my daddy. Poor old daddy. Daddy didn't fuss at us much, but when he did, he did. I tell him Paul about that when I did that. That's one time he should have blistered me. If I hadn't went in when I did, he'd blistered me with a switch. And I deserved it. My daddy's one you didn't buck up on. If you did, you wished you hadn't. That was concealer. I've had this thing. I got this from the Dollar. What's that place called? General? From the Dollar General here in Irvin. And I've had this for, honest to God, 4 years. I think I paid $2 for it. Like I say, when I can go cheap, I go cheap. When I say a good product and I know it's going to last a long time, I'm going to pay for it. Do not pump your mascara. It will make it dry out quicker. I'm not putting on my fake eyelashes today. And people tell me I'm a lot like my daddy. Temperamental and stubborn and stuff.
Amen.
He didn't listen to nobody either, so I had to take after somebody. Well, he taught me to respect people, and that's all I care about. So did Mom. They both told me, if you want respect, you earn respect. And it's true. If you want respect, respect somebody. This is Wet and Wild. And then I use this on top of it. Costs $2. Mascara. It has plenty on it, so I know it's just a habit pumping it. If you like getting mascara every week, pump it. I'm glad I put my eyeliner on. My dog's right beside of me. Have you gave him an aspirin? You need to give him one. Have you changed his water and put kidney peel in it?
Yeah.
Kidneys are hurting them, folks. Remember, say a prayer for him. Well, UTIs hurts. Okay. Contour. You get this at the Dollar Tree for $1. My sister-in-law got me this for my birthday. Faithy. Well, her name's Faith, but I call her Faithy. And she got me this too. She got me some more stuff. I don't know where everything is. This stuff is Dollar Tree for $1. And if you know anything about this stuff, highlighter stuff, man, that stuff runs into some money. Got my brush. I go to one side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you put the light on top. I can do this like this. And you do it like this. See how it shapes your jawline? One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Well, you know I can count. Okay. Light on top. Dark on the bottom, and it will shape your jawline. My hair is 100% virgin hair. It's natural. The color is natural, gray, and it's salt and pepper now. I don't know what color it is. The other color is. I love my hair. I really do. Love the color. Okay, this is a product that I got for free for trying out the other products. It's blush. It is peach face blush. Really good product too. I really don't know how much it cost. Put it on top, your jawline, and it's not too dark, not too light, it's just right to me for my skin tone. Okay. Your lightener. Since it's getting towards evening, I'm going to go with these two. I'm going to blend them in together, all the way around the brush. You put it up here. You make a triangle. Just highlight on your nose. And I'm going to put a little bit of this right in here too for my nose. Yeah, that shows it better. Right here, your chin. And the bright. And your lip. Put a little bit above your cheek line. I'm about done. And I've got all three mixed up. Okay. Then after I'm all done, I got it open earlier. I'm going to put a little bit of this powder lightly all over. And that is what I do every day with my face. And that is my makeup routine. Earlier I did a clay mask. And I highly recommend it. Very, 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 very good product. I'm so glad that they send me stuff to try out. Because I would never know. And I would never use it if I didn't know. But I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing this. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave some comments down below. And tell your friends and neighbors and everybody you can come in contact with. Share the videos. And don't forget to get your yearly exams. I'm not going through the whole routine. You know what you need to do. Sorry about that, it hit the table. But I'm glad that you watched, and I hope you enjoyed. My hair is doing awesome today. Excellent haircut. You couldn't ask for no better haircut. Love razor cuts. You can't go wrong with a razor cut. I'm going to go get my clothes on and finish my shake. Finish my coffee, and we're out the door. Peace. I love you guys. Bye. See you guys later. Bye.